In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Planner as Kanban board. To get started, open Microsoft Planner and go directly to your plan board. This board is the main workspace where your tasks will be organized visually. If you're using Planner as a Kanban board, think of this area as the place where work moves from one stage to the next. A Kanban setup helps you see what needs to be done, what's currently in progress, and what has already been completed, all in one clear view. Once you are on the board, look for the option that says Add a new bucket and click it. In Microsoft Planner, buckets act like columns on a Kanban board. Each bucket represents a stage in your workflow. For example, you might use buckets for ideas, upcoming work, active tasks, or completed items. The exact names are up to you, but the goal is to create a structure that matches how your team or your personal process works. After clicking to add a new bucket, type in the bucket name. Choose a name that clearly describes that stage of work. Keeping bucket names simple and easy to understand will make the board much easier to use over time, especially if multiple people are viewing or updating it. A clear board reduces confusion and makes it easier to move tasks around as priorities change. Next, click on Add Task. This is where you begin filling your Kanban board with actual work items. Each task should represent one specific piece of work. Try to keep task names short but descriptive so you can understand them at a glance without needing to open each one right away. This makes the board more useful as a quick visual management tool. After that, repeat the same process for another bucket name and add a task there as well. In other words, continue creating additional buckets to represent different stages of your workflow and place tasks into those buckets as needed. This is what turns a basic planner board into a functioning Kanban board. As work progresses, you can move tasks from one bucket to another to reflect their current status. That's the core idea. Create your workflow stages as buckets, then add tasks into the appropriate columns. Over time, your board becomes a live picture of what's happening, what's waiting, and what's done. If you keep your bucket names consistent and your tasks clearly labeled, Microsoft Planner becomes a simple and effective Kanban system that's easy to maintain and easy to understand.